Hi there, welcome to another Tips for Landlords and Property Managers video sponsored by fastevict.com blog group. On today's episode, we'll cover tenant screening questions landlords must ask all of their applicants. Please remember, the contents of this video should not be considered legal advice. Please contact us if you have any questions. If you're not screening every single applicant, you should start doing it now. Not only will screening help quickly filter out a lot of applicants who won't be a good fit, it can also potentially save you from handing over the keys to your rental property to a problematic tenant. What are the questions you must ask every applicant? When would you like to move in? If your tenant is in no hurry to move and your rental is move-in ready, you should quickly move on to another applicant who will fit your timeline. On the other hand, if the applicant is desperately looking to move in tomorrow, there should be a potential warning sign that they are trying to rush your screening process and you could potentially make a mistake. Do you currently have or plan on having pets? A great way to see if your pet policy and their pet situation will be a match. If you are pet friendly, this would be a good time to mention pet deposits, cleaning fees, pet restrictions, and more. If you are not pet friendly, both parties could move on and not waste each other's time. How long have you lived in your current home? Get an idea for how long the tenancy could potentially last. Do they move often? Why? The deeper you dig, the more of an idea you'll get for what to expect if they become your tenant. Why are you moving? This unassuming question could potentially save you from future issues. They could be getting evicted or have issues with their current landlord. Ask further questions to get to the bottom of the real reason why they are moving to see if it's something you could avoid down the road. How many people plan on living in the rental property? Although California doesn't specifically state how many people can live in a dwelling legally, there are guidelines set by HUD, and you should ensure you are following them for safety reasons. The general guideline is 2 heartbeats plus 1 per bedroom. This will also give you an opportunity to mention all adults must be screened and sign the lease. Do you or anyone planning on living in the property smoke? Heavy smoking can cause severe damage to your rental property. Make sure you mention your smoking policy and investigate if the applicant will be a good fit for your property. What is your monthly household income? It's important to verify before you collect application processing fees if the applicant can afford your rental property. A general rule of thumb is the applicant should make 3 times rent in monthly income to comfortably afford it. Do you have any previous evictions? If they are honest and say yes, you can probe deeper into the circumstances to decide whether you're willing to take on the risk. If they lie and you find an eviction on their record during the screening, this should disqualify them immediately. Have you ever broken a rental agreement? This shouldn't automatically disqualify them if they have. There are some circumstances you can consider reasonable, such as a landlord failing to offer habitable living conditions, or some sort of emergency where they had to move unforeseen. All answers shouldn't be taken at the applicant's word, and landlords should work on corroborating all answers by calling ex-landlords, employers, and references. Remember to follow all applicable state and local discrimination laws and guidelines when asking questions to your applicants and tenants. Are there other questions you asked that we didn't mention? Let us know about them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.